So today is the 12th of July and I've been starting to work on this project right here. Cut this concrete out a week ago and I need to level this out a little bit more to bring it up just a little bit so I can put the pavers down. So if you can see all these dead spots here, the crossbow kind of did some good work and kind of killed a little bit of the grass here, but that's okay. So you can see on the tree there that the crossbow is working on the tree. So I drilled it down there, drilled holes down there and used the thing, and kind of worked. I'm happy with the result there. Hopefully it kills the root system. I don't know. That's the whole point, to see if it kills the root system. I think it's been about almost 2 weeks since I sprayed the tree. So you can see right here that the tree is starting to die. I'm worried that the tree is only dying on the leaves that I actually sprayed. So I don't know if that's gonna work or not, but sure hope so. So here are the paver stones right there. Got 5 pallets of material. So that is tomorrow's project. Hopefully I can get that thing done soon. And once I get the pavers done, then I'll fill in this whole area over here and all that rock over there. That'll all be grass. And then I'm gonna change the dynamic of that flower bed right there. So I've also got some other stuff planned for the lawn here. Man, it looks fantastic and it's beautiful. So you kind of see some of these spots right here. So if you could see that lime green spot right there, you can kind of see some of them over here. Some lime green there. I've got some POA issues going on here and there. You kind of see the patches a little bit everywhere. It's the only thing I don't like about the lawn is just the kind of the patchy look. So it's beautiful nonetheless though. So I mowed this last night and I burned the lawn just going back and forth with the triplex. You can see, so you can see the stripes, they look awesome. See right there, that's POA. So you can see the seed heads for the POA right there, but you can kind of see the different patches of ryegrass. So you can see right there, it's a little bit different color from the ryegrass. Like that's just straight ryegrass here, right there. Here's another patch here. So you can kind of see it all through here. There's a patch there. Kind of look at it over from a distance, you can see the patchiness of the ryegrass kind of here and there. So looky Lou over there. Oh, look at that guy, he's on the camera. That's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to give you a quick update. I haven't been able to spend as much time as I wanted to in the lawn. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Just walk down this street to the road where it tees and turn right. It'll be on your left.
All right, thank you so much.
Right there.
I appreciate you.
Close.
You have a good day, okay?
See ya.